Hello! It dices, it slices, it makes julienne fries. I picked up this gel battery down at Town Recycling. I sort of do a battery exchange every year. And this thing looked kind of nice, but it was only 1.18 volts. And removing the very nice caps it had, you could see it was dry inside, so I put some distilled water in. And even then it wouldn't take any current. So I left it sit overnight, and now it's hydrated, and it seems to be taking current. And right now the battery is at 13.65, and yes, I'm charging it with my water heater. The real nice thing about this is the water heater sends out pulses. They're 10 amp pulses, and so this is on about a third of the time right now, with being around 3 amps, and so it's acting as a battery desulfonator and charger. And this thing seems to be taking current now. I actually tried it in reverse, doing a pulse discharge, and it seems to put out current too, so I've switched it back to charging. But this is an interesting idea that you know, you could have a water heater in your home, and so it's saving you money, and at the same time you could have a battery. You could maintain batteries through the winter for your you know, garden tractor or whatever, boat, and heat water. And all you need to do is to add one of these little voltage modules. This would turn on at a low voltage and would turn off when it reached a higher voltage. It would cycle back and forth, and it would maintain your batteries. And all you need to do is add a FET and a diode. You know, it'd be a pretty simple thing. And then you'd have, you know, normal water heating, but you'd have a battery maintainer. It's kind of a neat little idea. And the desulfonator part of it would work in your favor too, keeping those batteries fresh through the winter. So it's an interesting idea. I just thought I'd share it. Just kind of a little fun thing to do. Yeah, you can do anything with this. So thanks for watching.